Hello, question and answers on baggage. Just a theory is over. Now we'll go to some theory and the problem. So most of this baggage concept is a theoretical base, not the practical numerical base. Right? You need to read that theory. That previous presentation I think I given to you all now. Just you go with that theory. That PDF file is already sent to you. That you go through that PDF. The question number 95 is like this. Question number 95. What is the relevant date? What is the relevant date for determination of rate of duty under Custom Act 1962 in case of clearance of baggage? That is practice manual. Okay, this part is actually your examination period question. I think I taken here CA examination question. Just you neglect this part. Which part? This part. No need to write this one. This was appeared appeared question. Then what is the procedure for determining the clearance of baggage? The answer is like this. As per the section 78, the Custom Act 1962, you have to write like always. The relevant date for determination of rate of duty in clearance of baggage in the date on which the declaration is made in respect of such baggage under section 77. On which date it comes for the declaration or clearance, on that date only it is declared as a clearance date. Say for example, if baggage comes today, and today is the date of clearance of the baggage, right? When it arrives to the airport, that date only is the clearance date. That is the question number 95 answer. I think it is clear to each one of you. You example the travel from America to India, on which date you arrived here, on which date that baggage comes here, that baggage when it arrives in Indian land, that date is itself is known as clearance of baggage. Immediately it is cleared as per the date, as per the tax is concerned, as per the tax payment is completed. That date is the clearance of baggage, right? Immediately if it comes to India, it is not given to you. You need to pay all the taxes as per the Custom Act 1962, right? So that is question number 95. Now 96. What is this 96 says that? Just go to the one by one. The question is like this. Examine the correctness of the following statements of the under the customs. Import of LCD. This is the question that you have to think this question now. The LCD TV is allowed as a part of free baggage allowances under the baggage rules 1998. Is this statement? This statement is from here to here. This underlying statement is true or false, that you have to say. The question is like this, very simple. As per the customs, LCD TV is a free baggage. Free baggage means it is not to be taxable. LCD TV, it is true or false? Thus answer is like this. The said statement is incorrect. With effect from 26th August 2013, Annexure 1, that is in your theory notes is there. The baggage of 2016, the baggage of which one? 2016, which specifies that the items that cannot be allowed duty free allowance as a part of free baggage has been amended, wide notification number 84/213, to include flat panel, that is LCD, LED, plasma, that is the TV concepts, TV models. Television therein, therefore, the import of panel that is LCD, LED, plasma, television as a part of free baggage allowances has been disallowed in August 2013. So, this part is not considered as a free baggage allowances, right? So, this statement is clearly given starting only incorrect. I hope that this solution is clear to each one of you. Move to the question number now 96. This was a numerical base. Which base? Numerical base. Question number 97. If you see here, Mr. Nirvan, an Indian resident, aged 40 years, returned to India on 10 to 2017, after visiting England, so he comes from India, England. He had been England on, that is 1st February 2007. No need to check the dates, right? And no use of dates in this type of question, baggage question. What the actual belongings are there, that is you have to check what the traveler is coming to India, and what the baggage includes. So the baggage includes the personal effect like cloth, etc. Personal effect any value is exempted. See here, nil. Personal effect. 1 liter of wine worth rupees 10,000 taxable. Sound worth means you have to first check the total amount. Then sound system 50,000 rupee. Mobile sound system, mobile, wine and mobile. So you take the 1, 2, 3. The total is how much here? 80,000. The rule says that if the person is other than the Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, is 50,000 rupees free. So the state is here. Actually, he comes from where? England. England means Nepal, Myanmar, Bhutan. Other than these three countries, he comes from the other than these three countries. So the limit is how much? 50,000. So out of total 80,000 rupee, up to 50,000 rupee of baggage is exempted. That is free limit, exempted. And how much left remaining? Only 30. So on the 30,000 rupee, 35% BCD. Remember, 35% BCD. BCD 35%. On BCD how much? 10% is surcharge. That is 3.5. So total is how much then? It was 38.5. I think theory I explain everything the point. So 38.5 is what actually total BCD plus surcharge. How much total is the duty is 38.5. On this 30,000 rupee, 38.5 you find it, you will get 11,550. Remember, this personal effect goods any value is exempted. Rest of the goods other than the personal effect goods, you take the total. Out of the total, you check that the person comes from where, which country. Bhutan, Myanmar, Nepal, leave these items, means a country. Other than the country, three country, if the traveler comes, then 50,000 rupees exempted. If comes from these three countries, special countries, then only 15,000 rupees exempted. Is it clear? Next, move to the next question. This was a theoretical type question. Sanjay, Mr. Sanjay, an Indian entrepreneur, went to London. London means, remember that, other than the three countries. So limit is how much? 50,000. Explore new business opportunities on this date. His wife joined him on London also, and the following details submitted by them, custom authorities. Personal effect items is 80,000 rupee exempted. Two music system, continue. The sentences continue. Used personal effect worth rupees 80,000, comma, two music system worth rupees 50,000 each. So the both are exempt because both are same. Here it is actually given is separate, but it is both are same. Comma is there, so both are personal effect. Jewelry brought by Sujay worth rupees 48,000, 20 grams, and jewelry brought by his wife 96,000 rupees worth 40 grams. I think male the jewelry for 20 grams is there, up to 50,000 rupees exempt, but it is 48,000. Then female, if the person female is there, 40 grams worth rupees 1 lakh rupees exempted. So these two 50,000 rupees less than is there, this one is less than 96,000. If I say, see, gentleman up to 20 grams, how much? 50,000 rupees. Lady passenger up to 40 grams, 1 lakh rupees exempted. So these two also exempted. With reference to the baggage 2016, determine whether the Sanjay is required to pay the duty or not. So what I said now, it is the entire theory in this part is there. Just you refer. So why it is exempted these two amount, why it is exempted this C point. The C point theory is like here now. Gentleman means male passenger 50,000 rupees up to 20 grams is exempted, but here it is only 48,000 rupees, so it is exempted. For female 96,000 rupees 40 grams, 1 lakh rupees is there exempted, but here it is only 96,000, so exempted. The entire part is exempt, no need to pay any tax for this person. So for that only theory is there. You need to read the theory, you need to write the exam theory only, these theories, right? So all you read the theory, I explain simple, but you read theory, all the things, the reasons are given here now. What I said the theory class as well as here now, you just read the theory, you will get the solution. So This is all about your question number 98, right? If you have any doubts, just ask me. Thank you.